Welcome to Inbound Tutorials. I am Olu. In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses are constantly seeking effective ways to attract, engage, and convert potential customers. That's where the inbound methodology comes into play, revolutionizing the way companies approach marketing and sales. One powerful tool that aligns perfectly with this methodology is the Webcast. Today, we're going to explore how Webcasts can significantly benefit your inbound marketing efforts. But first, please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel as we increase our viewership with more inbound marketing content for you. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. The inbound methodology is a customer-centric approach that focuses on attracting visitors, engaging with them, converting them into leads, and ultimately delighting them to become loyal customers. Webcasts play a vital role in each of these stages. To begin with, webcasts are excellent tools for attracting potential customers. By hosting informative and engaging webcasts on topics that resonate with your target audience, you can capture their attention and entice them to learn more about your products or services. Once you have attracted your audience, it's time to engage them. Webcasts allow you to provide valuable content in a live or on-demand format, making it convenient for viewers to consume and participate in discussions through live chats, polls, and Q&A sessions. As your webcast progresses, you can seamlessly integrate lead generation forms and capture valuable contact information from interested attendees. This enables you to convert them into leads for further nurturing and follow-up. Speaking of nurturing, webcasts can be integrated into your email marketing automation sequences. By delivering targeted content based on attendee preferences, you can nurture leads, build trust, and guide them through the buyer's journey. Finally, webcasts contribute to the delight stage of the inbound methodology. By hosting exclusive webcasts for your existing customers, you can provide them with valuable insights, tips, and updates, fostering a sense of loyalty and turning them into brand advocates. And that wraps up our exploration of how webcasts are beneficial in the inbound methodology. By leveraging this powerful tool, you can attract, engage, convert, and delight your target audience, ultimately driving growth and success for your business. I am Olu with Optimark Consulting, your premier inbound marketing authority. To learn more about incorporating webcasts into your inbound marketing strategy, contact us today.